This is a mini light bulb fan, and it comes with this attacher piece, so if you have a problem getting into a socket, this will give you that extension. These come in really easy, putting them on, off, super quick, and gives you quite a few options. You've got your brightness, your cool white to your warm white. You can rotate the speeds. You can have the timer. I'll show a quick little video of a lamp that I put it in. It works really well. It's pretty quiet, and the remote works great. And as you can see, it goes together really quick and easy. So this would be great for a playroom, especially one that's got a higher roof where you can have the kids, they don't have to worry about them touching it, and you don't want a big size fan. So overall, this is a great little fan.